Hello everyone, welcome back in this new video. So today I show you a theme vivo device or apply this theme on any Android phone. Basically tips I shared you. Okay, so guys, first of all open the Play Store application and type in the search bar HIOS launcher and HIOS launcher. Okay, download any one launcher on the Play Store from based on Technoflix launchers HIOS and HIOS. Okay, to first of all you need the Z Achiever application. Download my file on the media file link in the description and the password in this video. The theme file is password protect. So first of all, please subscribe my channel, like my video and follow me Instagram and Facebook. Open the Z Achiever application. Okay, this application link is available in the Play Store. Okay, so first of all open this application and this is the new interface. This application, open the download folder, the theme file downloaded in your device storage when you download from the Chrome browser. Okay, this is the theme file vivo funtoch OS 9.1 for any Android device. This file is password protect, so please watch this video to end. Okay, first of all click on it and extract to arrive here. Okay, put the password in the video. The vivo funtoch OS 9 folder is available when you decompress this file. Okay, open this and the first, this is the certificate. Okay, based on X theme and high theme, Mr. Tech Carry funtoch OS 9. Theme thumbnail, this is the my playlist thumbnail on available YouTube. You can check out on the I button and check in my YouTube channel. This is the software thumbnail funtoch OS 9. This is the file. This file is converted into ZTH file is already. Okay, the vivo sign, copy this file and goes to device memory. When you download launcher in your phone, you can see the theme folder in your file manager and Z Achiever. Copy the theme file and open the theme folder in all Technoflix devices and any Android based on iOS 8 to later. When your device is based on Technoflix is software based on iOS 6 and XOS 6. This theme working in this folder. You can see the die folder. Open it and paste here the theme. I already pasted this theme and I tap on replace button. Okay, go back. This is the first method to apply theme in the old devices of Technoflix and all Android phone when you download the iOS launcher and XOS launcher. So the second method, go to download folder, go to vivo funtoch OS and copy this theme. Okay, go back, go to Android, go to data and you can see the XOS launcher and iOS launcher folder com.transaction. Some my mistakes in the English. Okay, com.transaction.iOS launcher, open it and you can see the files. You can here two folders. You cannot create two folders because I am create, my phone is based on iOS 7. Paste the theme in die folder in the new section. Okay, I already paste this theme in Technoflix device and any Android device by the iOS launcher and XOS launcher. Okay, this is time to apply this theme. Open high theme and X theme in your Technoflix devices and any Android phone. Vivo F9.1, apply it. So you can see the beautiful look of this theme. Okay, the maximum problem in this theme, the icon size is small, but Vivo recommend this icon size. Okay, you can big this icon size. Click on desktop settings and click on icon size and click on 120 ratios. Okay, the successfully your Android any device and the Technoflix device is converted into the Vivo phone. Okay, you can see the dialer pad icon, message icon, and contacts icon. All the icons are improved. Okay, this is the very beautiful look you can see on my screen. Okay, you can apply it easily. I hope you will find password in the video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video with your friends using different devices. Okay, open the widget section, open the easy view. Okay, the easy view is very super. The icon is very beautiful in the easy view. So bye bye, love you.